Tens of millions of years ago, the Earth was home to giant creatures. They roamed deep forests, grasslands, and vast oceans. Among them, the T-Rex dinosaur is the most fearsome ruler, with a roar that can shake the entire forest and spread terror. But that domination ended when a catastrophic event occurred, changing the entire history of Earth. But what few people expect is that the descendants of those giants still exist and are living with us today. Believe it or not, they're flying right over your head every day. So what did dinosaurs evolve into today? 56 million years ago, a massive asteroid hurtled toward Earth, glowing like a burning star, destined to change history forever. When it struck Earth, the impact unleashed an explosion more powerful than billions of nuclear bombs combined. Volcanoes erupted, covering the skies with ash, choking sunlight, and turning day into endless night. The world fell into darkness. Without sunlight, plants withered, and entire ecosystems began to collapse. Mighty dinosaurs that once ruled the Earth struggled to survive as food grew scarce and habitats disappeared. Meanwhile, small creatures like mammals endured, hiding underground and feeding on whatever they could find. Among the survivors were early birds, descendants of small feathered dinosaurs, resilient enough to adapt and endure. Within a short span of time, nearly every dinosaur vanished, marking one of Earth's greatest extinctions. Yet, their legacy did not end. Fossils preserved their story, waiting for science to uncover the truth. From the ashes, life slowly began to return, proving nature's resilience even after catastrophe. Tiny mammals thrived, evolving rapidly, laying the foundation for the rise of entirely new species. Birds diversified, spreading across the world, carrying with them the living spirit of dinosaurs. Beneath the seas, marine life flourished again, adapting faster than ever before. A transformed Earth emerged, no longer ruled by giants, but open for new rulers to rise. Today, fossils reveal the truth of that lost world, linking the past directly to the present. Modern science deciphers ancient DNA, proving that dinosaurs still live on through their descendants. Astonishingly, creatures as ordinary as chickens are direct descendants of mighty dinosaurs. Even elegant swans carry the bone structure and DNA echoes of their dinosaur ancestors. Predatory birds like eagles reflect the same hunting instincts once seen in raptors. Penguins may look playful, but their body design recalled dinosaurs adapted to the seas. In truth, dinosaurs never truly vanished. They simply changed form, and we see them every day. So the next time you watch a bird take flight, remember, you are witnessing a living dinosaur. After the dinosaurs vanished, small birds carried the torch of survival into a changed world. They laid eggs, nurtured their young, and passed on the legacy of their dinosaur ancestors. Feathers once meant for survival began to transform into dazzling displays of beauty. Some adapted to water, developing bodies perfect for swimming and diving. Others became night hunters, with sharp eyes and silent wings. Predatory birds ruled the skies, mirroring the power of their dinosaur ancestors. Tiny sparrows showed that even the smallest could thrive by adapting to new niches. In the frozen south, penguins became masters of the icy seas. Swans brought elegance, yet their skeleton still whispers of reptilian origins. Not all birds survived. The dodo reminds us of how fragile species can be. Today, Even the pigeons you see in cities carry the DNA of dinosaurs. Parrots developed intelligence and colors as vibrant as the jungles they inhabit. Owls became symbols of wisdom, but their hunting power remains purely prehistoric. From tiny hummingbirds to soaring eagles, birds dominate every corner of our planet. But beyond beauty and diversity, birds still carry traits that reveal their true origin. A living bridge between past and present, carried within today's elephants. They control insect populations, protecting forests and crops. Others spread pollens, ensuring flowers bloom year after year. By scattering seeds, they help forests regenerate and grow. Look closely at bird tracks, and you will see echoes of dinosaur footsteps. The power of an eagle in flight mirrors the dominance of raptors long ago. Some birds have remarkable intelligence, reminding us of the cunning of their ancestors. Even courtship displays resemble the rituals of dinosaurs. Silent hunters of the night echo the stealth of prehistoric predators. Together, flocks create mesmerizing patterns that move like living storms. Birds connect the planet, migrating across thousands of kilometers each year. Underneath feathers, their bones still carry the architecture of dinosaurs. And yet, we see them daily as symbols of peace and hope. Their DNA still holds secrets, linking them to the giants of the past. But what do these connections mean for us and for the future of life on Earth? Scientists today study birds to unlock mysteries of evolution. Genetic research reveals the ancient codes written inside their cells. The similarities between fossils and living birds grow undeniable. From Jurassic giants to sparrows, the journey of life is breathtaking. The creatures we see daily are living echoes of a lost world. Bird migrations remind us that life adapts and persists beyond boundaries. Technology allows us to reconstruct voices, colors, and movements of the past. For future generations, birds are a bridge to understanding Earth's history. Imagine a raptor, its form reborn as the hawk, soaring above. Birds are not just survivors. They are storytellers of time. One day, we may even revive lost species through genetic engineering. From Earth to the cosmos, birds symbolize resilience and transformation. Every feather, every bone is a page in the book of evolution. When you see a bird take flight, you are witnessing a dinosaur's legacy. Dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They are still with us, in the wings of every bird.